Hi, it's Miss Fame and welcome back to my channel. I am really excited to be talking about something that is my heart's desire. It's Miss Fame Beauty. She's officially launched and I'm ready to show you how to wear these gorgeous lipsticks. Let's talk about the details. What we have here is the Miss Fame face, which you're seeing all over my Instagram. There will be a link available below where you can shop the entire collection. We were able to dictate the direction of utilizing an image and adding the font, adding the logo, making sure that the product inside was interesting. You get this beautiful debossed Miss Fame logo across the front. It's a cold metal, nice chrome finish. I wanted a sexy product, something that really told a story. It's actually a magnetic closure, so you get that nice snap shut and you don't have to worry about it loosening up in your purse. Even just the packaging alone, it makes me feel completely satisfied to create something that's 100% Miss Fame. The other great asset within the collection was on top experimental glitter. This is a beautiful lavender toned iridescent glitter. This whole concept was all about creating an editorial mood, and the products needed to feel like a luxury brand within a price point that's suitable for the market. So within this price range of what you are already buying, I wanted to make something that was an attainment for you. The brightest and lightest shade within the collection is Flash of Flesh. Let's reveal her. As you can see, we have a really gorgeous quantity of product in there, and it smells stunning. It has a soft aroma of vanilla. The formula itself has avocado oil, so it's very nurturing on the lip and has a creamy, shiny finish. This kind of lipstick is meant for a full face because nude lip will erase a feature from your face. So here we are. So we erase the lip, but I'll carry it through the entire perimeter. All right, this lipstick has full coverage and we're getting a completely erased neutral lip. I love to actually use this lipstick with a liner and also to highlight the center of the lipsticks because you can use this as your brightening shade. So I'm going to take this off and now apply it with a lip liner. Side note, becoming an entrepreneur within the queer community, having a moment to claim space at the table of beauty and really stand with the history of being a drag artist and now developing something very personal. It can be completely overwhelming, but I find it to be the moment we need to kind of reach out and claim those seats. This is in tribute of claiming space and ownership over a career that I've dedicated towards beauty. Okay, we're going back in with the lipstick, and you can take a brush and you can feather it into the lip and get a softer application. Now this is the Flash of Flesh with lip liner, and you get a little bit more depth around the perimeter to add structure and a fuller lip. One of the add-ons I'm really excited about is the on top experimental glitter. I'll just show you, applying with my finger. And you don't need adhesive because it sticks to the creamy texture of the lipstick. Now we have a very exciting nighttime look. It's magnetic at night and it illuminates the room. It catches all the light. Let's talk about the next shade in the collection. This was a huge hit at RuPaul's Drag Con, and I wonder why. The shade name is How's Your Head, paying tribute to my stint on RuPaul's Drag Race Season 7, where I couldn't get the joke. So right off the bat, same creamy formula, so you're getting a lip conditioning agent at the same time of application. Oh, that was not the prettiest face to apply with, but so be it. The undertone is going to be a nice peachy base, nice and flesh. It looks gorgeous on every skin tone because it has a warmth to it, so it's flattering. If you don't have a lot of pigmentation to your natural lip, this is going to give you that really nice natural flush tone. Let's do a quick spice emphasization. Is that a word? Let's emphasize the lip with Spice Lip Liner. You can tell, natural lip, how's your head? Natural, how's your head? I'm gonna draw a larger lip, maybe a little pad. Let's be professionals here. And we're gonna take How's Your Head and glide it across the lip, across that gorgeous mouth of yours. Oh, oh, oh. Ah. Great thing about the applicator tip is that it's at a 45-degree angle. Could be a 20-degree angle. It's an angle. It's at a proper angle. It's an incredibly neutral, natural shade. You're getting all of that pigmentation, and you're getting all of that for your daytime date realness category. Ooh, I love it. So the next shade we're going to be wearing is Fame Whore. Look at her. A beautiful, rich fuchsia. It's stunning, and it will stain your lip, which I love. I'm gonna get in there in detail. This is one of my favorite colors because I feel like I could wear it all year round. This could be a signature daytime statement look. It's not as serious as wearing a red. It's a lot more fun, and it is a statement. Fame Whore is an attention getter. It's going to get you noticed. People will actually see you in that room. Gorgeous. So now I'm going to take Fame Whore to the next level using magenta lip liner and just accentuate my lip structure. This is a good tip if you want to get that full lip without having to pay for the injectable. So this is Fame Whore with a lip liner. So we gave it a bit more of a structure and a larger volume around the perimeter with the same matched tone. We're going to take a little bit of the on top experimental glitter to transform this lip to make it dramatic. And if you want to get glitter perfectly edged, you can use a synthetic brush. Fame Whore with on top glitter. All right, so here we are. I literally cannot remove Fame Whore, but we're gonna lead right into the next shade, which is going to be the Other Woman, and I've been wearing her endlessly. The beauty of this one was I aimed to create a deep, cool undertoned brownie red. This is really, really rich. A very sophisticated woman would rock this red, and if you feel like paying tribute to your inner glamazon, this is gonna be your hit right here. Because this is as clean as my lips are gonna get from Fame Whore, we're just gonna overlay with the Other Woman. And I'll show you, there's nothing on my lip. Let me wind it down a little bit. This is such a deep shade, it's actually giving me the definition I need as I apply. It's so efficient, it gets to the point, and it's really dominant. Like, this type of woman is going to claim space wherever she's at. And she's probably a bit dangerous because if I saw a woman with a deep red lip and platinum blonde hair, I'd probably be a little bit intimidated. Hey, I love it, I love it, I love it. It's gorgeous. And we're gonna wipe her away and do it with a lip liner. My lips are just so stained. Well, I did it. I formulated that problem. It's amazing. God, I'm covered in glitter. That's gorgeous. And applying the gorgeous. Where'd you go, girl? Where's the Other Woman? Quick, effective, bold, and beautiful. Oh, by the way, these are cruelty-free, so no animals were harmed in the making. I didn't have to test this on anybody but me, on people. Look at that depth, look at that shine. My lips feel very conditioned and taken care of, and cruelty-free. All right, now the final shade from the Fetish of Fashion collection, Dirty Couture. Let's reveal her and wind her up. She's very moody. It's one of the most beautiful shades when you look at it just standing in the tube. Beautiful, beautiful. A lot of depth. It's dark, it's very, very moody. And I want to show you what happens when you take it with a little bit more definition and overdraw it with a lip liner. And now I'm going to just take my Dirty Couture. This one is one of the glossiest shades of them all. An artist shade of all artist shades, to be real. So now that we've gotten this precise, defined, full-on navy lip, I'm gonna take her in. Dirty Couture has served me well. We're gonna go with our topper. This is going to take this to the ultimate level. I think it's the most flattering shade for this glitter. It's a match made in heaven, honey. I really, really love this collaboration that's happening here on my lip. To present you something that's really personal from my heart has been my goal since I've been breaking through with being off of Drag Race and living in New York City. I wanted to create something that was authentic to me as an artist and felt like a part of my story and my journey here in New York. You've been seeing these all over the internet. This is what the full collection comes in. The inside, you're gonna see the full collection carried within right here. The glitter just at the bottom. So I'm really, really grateful to be able to present to you the Fetish of Fashion under Miss Fame Beauty, and having the opportunity to present you my artistry and get to this point has been the ultimate moment for me as an artist. And I hope this has inspired you to create some of your own Miss Fame Beauty looks. And please hashtag Miss Fame Beauty and tag your pictures online so I can share them on Miss Fame's Instagram account and Miss Fame Beauty Instagram account. So much love and admiration to you. Thank you so much.